time, our understanding of how species came to be has changed. At first, many believed that God was the sole creator of all life forms. 17th century Anglican Archbishop James Ussher came to this conclusion based on his evaluation of the Bible.
My name is James Ussher. Through my analysis of the Bible, I have been able to count the generations and approximate the date of creation to be the 23rd of October in 4004 BC. My followers believe that God created on this date all forms of life from the most simple organisms to the most complex.
As time passed, scientific philosophers began to question this idea of a single creating entity, and instead developed the early idea of evolution. The Count of Buffon, George Louis Leclerc, was one of these naturalists that looked outside of religion during the Enlightenment period to explain Earth's history.
My name is George Louis Leclerc. I have come up with a theory that the current environment of our planet is due to various changes over time. I believe that the Earth was formed when a comet had broken off debris off the sun, eventually cooling and forming bodies of water from the rain from the clouds. Additionally, I think that species are each created through the process of spontaneous origins under the right conditions. Through migration, each species was forced to change as a difference in the supply of organic particles occurred.
While each scientist led to our current understanding of how species have come to be, Charles Darwin, the father of evolution, is credited with proposing the most accurate and up-to-date theory of evolutionary science.
My name is Charles Darwin. Throughout my travels, I have realized that there are many similarities among species all around the world. This has led me to believe that all species derive from a common ancestor. This evolution occurred under a process called natural selection. This process maintains that species who successfully adapted to a change in their environment survived, while those who did not eventually died off.
A more modern example of natural selection can be illustrated in this demonstration of an apocalyptic world, where Chipotle is the only remaining food source, and people with 5 fingers can grab the Chipotle boxes more efficiently than those with 4.
Here we see a population of humans with both 4 and 5 fingers. Food is abundant and competition is scarce, so each human can get enough food. When resources are limited, competition increases, and humans with 5 fingers are more likely to get food than those with 4. Because humans with 4 fingers cannot get enough food to sustain themselves, they will eventually die off, meaning the 5-finger trait will become more prevalent in future generations.
Patterns of evolution have also been studied to further our understanding of Earth's history. There are 3 patterns of evolution: divergent, convergent, and parallel.
Divergent evolution occurs when 2 species gradually become increasingly different. Convergent evolution takes place when species of different ancestry begin to share analogous traits because of a shared environment or other selection pressure. Lastly, parallel evolution occurs when 2 species evolve independently of each other, maintaining the same level of similarity.
Due to Darwin's discovery and the development of theories of evolution, we now have been able to better understand the history of our planet and its species.